Welcome to my channel, How to Set Up AC1200 Dual Band Wireless AP/Range Extender 10 Quick Fix Style. 1. Plug it in first, but not too far. Don't stick it at the very edge of your Wi-Fi range. Plug it somewhere halfway between your router and the dead zone. Wait till you see the light steady. 2. Reset before starting. Seriously, if you tried already and it didn't work, hold the reset pin for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights blink. Start fresh because these extenders keep old configurations. 3. Use a laptop or phone, but connect directly on your device. Search Wi-Fi and connect to the extender's default SSID. Don't try doing it over your home Wi-Fi first. Connect directly to the extender Wi-Fi. 4. Open the setup page. Go to your browser and type 119.168.10.1 or wifi.wavelink.com. That's the admin panel. If it doesn't load, you're not connected right. Try again. 5. Default login. User, admin, password, admin. Both are admin. Change it later, but for now, just log in. 6. Pick the mode you want. You'll see options like repeater/extender mode, router mode. For most folks, you just want repeater/extender mode. If you're wiring it through Ethernet, then go AP mode. 7. Scan for your Wi-Fi. It'll show a list of networks. Pick your router's Wi-Fi, the one you want extended. Enter your real Wi-Fi password. Careful with uppercase and lowercase characters, otherwise process may get repeated. 8. Set the extended SSID. You can either keep the same name as your router or rename it like Home Wi-Fi EXT. If you keep the same name, devices will switch automatically, but sometimes they don't. 9. Save and reboot. Hit save, wait, it may take longer than you think. Don't unplug it. Lights will blink, then settle. Give it 1 to 2 minutes, then reconnect your device to the new Wi-Fi name. 10. Test signal and placement. Walk to your dead zone. Check signal strength. If it's still weak, move the extender closer to the router and try again. There's always a sweet spot. Thanks for watching.